Hey guys, today we're going to be making some granola,
which you can enjoy onto your yogurt or just by itself, anything, but it's really delicious.
Yum yum.
So let's get started.
Today you'll need
A Jellyroll pan,
measuring utensils,
a mixing bowl,
ground cinnamon,
Nonstick cooking spray,
raisins,
an orange,
wheat germ,
roasted almonds,
coconut flakes,
roasted sunflower seeds,
olive oil,
oatmeal,
and some salt. To start off, you'll need to preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit.
Pour 3 cups of oatmeal into your mixing bowl.
1/4 cup of almonds,
1/3 cup of sunflower seeds,
1/4 cup of wheat germ,
1/4 cup of coconut, 1 tablespoon of olive oil,
1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 zest of an orange. Stir it until blended.
Put mixture onto greased pan and spread out evenly. Once fully cooked, put 1/2 cup of raisins onto your granola and stir.
Thanks for watching!
Make sure to store your granola in an airtight container for use later.
Make sure to subscribe, comment, and
Press
like.
like.
Yes!
Thank you for watching.